Now in this video, we're going to talk about the next pattern when it comes to multiplying brackets together or factorising them. Perfect squares. Not like that. So perfect squares are things like, if I gave you the number 16, that's considered a perfect square because it's the number 4 squared. It's 4 times 4. Now, other perfect squares are used to, like 49 is a perfect square. 7 squared, 7 times 7. Now, we've been dealing with brackets with unknowns inside them in the last few lessons. Well, we can make them into perfect squares as well. Let's say I had this particular number, x plus 3. Now, that's just a single number, remember? Whenever we see a set of brackets, we treat whatever's inside the brackets as if it was just one number. So I have this one thing here. It doesn't matter how messy or complicated inside it is, it's still treated as just one number. If I were to square it, that means it's whatever the number is, I just times it by itself. Now, we've done that expansion before. We've timed this out. It's going to be the first elements times each other. X times x is x squared. Then x times a 3 gives me 3x. Then going back the other way, 3 times x gives me 3x again. And then 3 times 3 on the end, which is going to be x squared, 6x, 9. This here, this is called a perfect square. It's a quadratic because it's got x squared in it. It's a perfect square. Why is it a perfect square? Because it came from originally one number times by itself, x plus 3 squared. Not every quadratic is a perfect square, but they're the ones we're playing with at the moment are. Like another example would be, if I had x plus 5 and I was going to square it. So it's just one number squared, meaning it's just that one number times by itself. So let's go through our FOIL method again. First outside, inside last, and times it out. So the first ones times together is x squared. The outside ones, x times 5 is going to be 5x. The inside ones, 5 times x is another lot of 5x, and then 5 times 5. So the expansion is x squared plus 10x plus 25. That's another perfectly square quadratic. I'll do one more. You don't need to have a plus in there. It works just as well for a minus in there. So I say x minus 4 square that. So it's just the number times by itself. First one's x squared. The outside ones, x times minus 4 is minus 4x. The inside ones, minus 4 times x, minus 4x. And then it's going to be, I'm going to put a plus here, that's going to be minus 4 times by minus 4. X squared, that comes to minus 8x, that comes to plus 16. Another perfectly square quadratic. So there is a pattern happening here that you need to be able to do. And the pattern is as follows. If I've got two particular values inside a bracket like this, and the bracket is being squared. So, writing out longhand, it's whatever the number is, which in this case is a plus b, times by itself. Do the FOIL method. First outside, inside last. The first ones times together, a squared. The outside ones, a times b. The inside ones, b times a. That's just a times b again. And then b times b. Simplify, a squared. AB is happening twice. And then it's b squared. And here is the pattern that you need to be able to follow. If you are going to square a bracket, you are going to follow that particular pattern right there. Square a bracket, it's the first one squared. Plus, times the two numbers together and double the result, and then the second one squared. Why double the result? Because This inside element happens twice. This inside element happens twice. This inside element happens twice. So one example, let's go for one more. Let's go, if I had x plus 7, and I'm going to square that. The pattern says, I take the first element, which is x, and I square it. Then I take the two elements inside the bracket, the a and the b, I times them together, double the result. So 7 times x, 7x, double the result, 14x. And then last one, 7 squared is 49. That's the expansion. I want you to be able to go from the question to the answer in one step. But warning, big warning. You will be tempted to try and do this. If you get this question, x plus 7 squared, you'll be tempted to go, oh, that's just going to be the first one, x squared, second one, 7 squared, and you're going to be tempted to give that as your answer. That's a no-no. Under no circumstances will it ever be right. It's a trouting offence, generally will come out, it'll be on your desk. You can't do this. Have to follow, when you have a bracket square, you must follow this pattern. I want to make sure that no one in the class ever does this mistake. It's a bad one. Now, that's all you need for this particular lesson now, using perfect squares. But just one thing before I go. Where would you go to learn how to make ice cream? Sunday school.